We are BMT. With a team of over 500 in the UK, we provide independent engineering and management consultancy. We are trusted across government, defence, security and private sectors, applying our broad range of skills to help customers overcome their most complex challenges. BMT is a world-class digital consultancy. We provide independent digital transformational solutions, exploiting technology to optimize the way services are delivered. This work gives us a unique insight into the way organizations manage the transformational process and how this is revolutionizing the way we work today. Digital transformation is the change that happens when digital technology is applied, enabling businesses to redesign their processes, deliver services more effectively, or develop entirely new business models. We spoke to Richard Westgarth, Head of Campaigns at BMT, about digital transformation and the Fourth Industrial Revolution.
So the Fourth Industrial Revolution is characterised by new technologies that are blurring the boundaries between the physical, digital and biological worlds. It will transform the nature and character of businesses. So the Fourth Industrial Revolution, alongside the COVID pandemic, will serve to accelerate the transformation of changing working practices enabled through the take-up of technological solutions. This future is going to be very uncertain, full of challenges, full of difficulties, but I think it's going to be very promising. It'll change the nature of the way we think about business, about operations, and about indeed some of the services we provide. The revolution is going to rewrite how we work, how businesses operate. So we must prepare our workforces for this future. So we're going to require them to be looking at continuous learning. We're going to be looking at workers who have, instead of a career for life, a lifetime of careers that are going to move us into new ways of training, new ways of developing. And I think that diversity is going to have a huge role to play in this future. Well, I think in this new future, sort of enabled by the Fourth Industrial Revolution, we're going to see many new economic challenges. The nature of businesses will change. So many organisations will fail through not being agile enough, through not recognising the need to change. We in BMT know that some organisations, change is harder than for others. For example, where they have got capital-intensive production lines or huge workforces, it's going to take time and effort, and in short, that will limit their agility. But they need to be mindful that their competitors may find new ways of doing business. And whilst they may suffer from some of the same constraints, some will adapt better than others. I would argue that for many businesses, these constraints are more perceived than real and are sometimes used to avoid radical change. So here in BMT, we've been researching this area and we've developed what we think are the key areas to be addressed for a successful digital transformation journey. Organisations that have already reaped the benefits of digital transformation have raised their efficiency and productivity. For example, using artificial intelligence to enhance diagnostics in hospital or preempting maintenance issues in a production line. We've also seen how, during the pandemic, companies have rapidly reconfigured engineering and manufacturing systems to develop innovative solutions to meet urgent medical priorities. These are just examples, but these new technologies are forcing businesses to rip up their existing plans and find new opportunities in this digital age. Before the pandemic, it would have been easy to say it's just an evolution of many of the transformations that have gone over the last decade or 2 decades. But I think the pandemic has shown that by adopting digital technologies, we can change working practices directly and very quickly. So the pandemic has accelerated this change and made it more vital that these changes happen.
We hope that you have found this interesting and that you'd like to speak to BMT about how we can help your digital transformation program. Please contact us for further information.